Okay, Sebastian, we've now finished 6 days of intensive exposure to the logical thinking process. I would like to get your impression of those 6 days. Can you tell me what your favorite part of the course was?
My favorite part of the course was the understanding that I made the right decision coming to the course.
Really?
I think
Okay.
so. Because I was looking for a leadership tool
Okay.
that allows for, like in my management, to bring sense to the team and to share, let's say, to align on the sense of why our business sense I'm talking about. What are we doing? Why are we doing it? And in order to build this, because I'm relatively new in the company I'm working for now, to first get an alignment on what is our purpose with our executive, like COO and board, and be able to share that that line and that vision all the way to every collaborator in the team. And I found in these tools, in these trees that we built, that it's a very easy way to do that, because it's a collaborative approach that is used. It's quite a rigorous approach that allows for a real construction and a solid construction of the solutions, linking the issues and the solutions, and that gets by the very nature of the exercise a consensus among the people to do the things that need to be done in order to reach the objective.
Okay. Wow. That's a lot to come away with. I'm going to ask a question that usually doesn't get asked in these circumstances. What did you like least about the course?
Question. It was a very intensive 6 days.
You had to think too much.
Absolutely. I can tell you that, every evening I was looking forward to going to sleep, because the exercises were, I mean, if you play the game, you're really in it, and
Yes.
they were quite intensive. But no, I mean, it's even that it was not an issue.
I will admit I tried to make you guys work.
You did. You managed.
Okay.
You managed.
Very good. So you've been exposed now to 5 different types of logic tools among the 5 trees. Which one is the one that you think is going to be most useful to you, the one that you will enjoy most using?
I would say there will be 2, actually.
Okay.
The first one is the goal tree, because it's really the and again, it's kind of closely related to the situation I am now in my company. Goal tree is the alignment of where we are, and aligning everyone into, is this what we are doing? Yes. And then the last one, like when we link the issues with like the prerequisite trees, when we link the injections with the issues, and we come up with the solutions.
Okay.
We work out the solutions, and then we deploy them. It's to me a formidable tool, and to just answer and anticipate all the questions, and be secure that what we're doing it in order and for the right reason.
Okay, that's interesting. So if you were to try to determine the appropriate audience for this, who would you recommend? And I'm not talking about people in a specific person as much as a person within an organization. who do you think could benefit the most
Um,
from coming to this course?
To me, someone who wants to make a difference, someone who wants to change things, and who's not sure and needs to link the top with the bottom, and is somewhere somewhere in the middle, and who wants to really make a difference.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much for your
Thank you very much
and
for
your
your course.
feedback.
It was a great course. Thank you very much.